Yeah, so I'll just get started by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital. And at the moment, we're just conducting a few interviews with our traders just to find out a bit more about them and their trading journey. So the first question I would like to ask you is just to introduce yourself and then explain how you got interested in trading and how that kind of became your journey to the place you are today.
Okay, so my name is Kelvin Miles, Kelvin Denzel Miles, aka Poison Hustle, aka Peso Hustle, and my team called me the Den Meister. So I started out with my brother Pablo actually taught me how to trade. He got me into trading. That was probably about 4 years ago. Every day, you know what I'm saying? We was on the charts. We wake up for London session every day, and we still doing it to this day. And we made a group called the A Team. So we're kind of making a group of elite traders, and we're just gonna build on that. So uh, I would say just my brother, you know what I'm saying? Just him being around me and it rubbing off on me. That's the main reason I got into the markets.
Yeah, that sounds great, and that's really interesting that you're creating a group as well and kind of taking it a step further. So that's great
Yeah.
to hear. I know you said that you learned from your brother, but did you have any like past education in trading? Did you teach yourself alongside with your brother teaching you? Did you have any mentors?
Well, I do remember like using like Robinhood. I was using Robinhood maybe back in like 2015. I was actually working at the Donald Trump building in Manhattan, and that was kind of the first time I actually was able to see what the markets and everything were about. Uh, but as soon as I got into like Forex, it was just a different lane for me. The type of gains you can make from it. It was just different for me. So I mean, no shade to Robinhood and nothing like that, but like getting into Forex and MetaTrader 4, it was just a way different experience. It was a better, funner experience too. You know what I'm saying? So that was the main thing about getting into it that I like, the most.
Yeah, I'm glad that you're enjoying Forex, and that's
Oh
that's cool that you were to the Donald Trump building as well. That's really interesting.
yeah, that was actually before he was the president, before he got elected as president. I was working in there. I took a picture with his son and everything. And then like a year later, he was in the office. So yeah, that was pretty wild. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so interesting. That's really cool. um, so you're doing the funded trader program with Audacity Capital, yeah?
Mhm. Yes, I am.
Yeah. So how's that been for you so far? Are you liking it? Do you have any feedback? How's your trading been?
So with me at this time right now, since I said that we do have the 18, we're really just running our levels. We want to be like the elite team. You know what I'm saying? The Audacity Capital can actually say like these guys came to us, they knew what they wanted to do, and they fulfilled their journey. So right now, all we're doing is what I'm saying, testing our levels. We're running demo accounts every day, every morning at 3 o'clock, 3:30. We're just running demo accounts every day, back testing our strategies and just making this thing when we actually do start it, making this thing where it's gonna pop really good. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That's great to hear, and I'm sure you will definitely succeed with us. And I can't wait for that. Hopefully, we
Thank
can,
you so much.
whenever that happens, we can have another interview again and
Oh,
see
for
where that's
sure,
going.
for
So
sure, for sure.
that's great. Um, and my last question is a bit of a tricky one, but I ask it to everyone I interview, and it is, what is the best advice you can give to someone just starting their trading journey? So this may be something that you would have had liked to hear whenever you were starting off your journey, something that really changed the way that your trading was or benefited you in any way, something that someone who's new to Forex would like to hear.
I think like everything else, what I would give to like a young trader, I would just say stay consistent, man. Like stay on it every day. The way we look at it, it's like being Kobe Bryant or any of the best players. If you don't take those shots in the gym, you're never gonna, be at your full potential. You're never gonna make it to your full potential. So like young traders, I just encourage them every day, you know what I'm saying, put in that work in the gym by yourself or with your friends. And you know what I'm saying, the sky's the limit from there. I mean, all these young kids getting out of school, you know what I'm saying, getting straight out of high school, getting straight into these markets. I think that's the most beautiful thing ever, because you know, by the time they're older, they're going to be able to take care of their family, take care of themselves, and change the world. Really, like we're trying to get humanitarian awards from this kind of stuff, so we're not stopping, you know. So this was a great opportunity with Audacity Capital. You guys, you know what I'm saying, are amazing. You know, you haven't failed us yet, and we're just gonna work together to build this thing really strong, you know.
Great, great. That I think that is great advice as well. And yeah, I actually spoke to someone the other day who he is just 19 and he's been trading since he was 14. And I think that that is really cool because he knows everything he needs to know at 19 years old and he's going on to do a degree,
That's
which is great.
that's
I think
beautiful.
it's great.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's
So
all you can ask for from radio.
yeah. So I think that's everything from me today. So thank you so much for this interview. It's been lovely meeting you today and hearing your story. And hopefully in a few months or weeks we can catch up again and see how you're doing with your trading.
For sure, Leah. It was nice meeting you. Like I said before, thanks, Audacity Capital. Keep rising and grinding, striving. We're gonna take it to the top. Thank you, Leah.